Okay, on the way out, I'm probably gonna look for some stuff. You can see this tree. There's logs that have been cut here. It's chunky. Oh, look at this one. That's a nice, eh? There hair on here? Oh, it's the hair from the trees. There's no real hair. No, it's not real hair. And you look like something's been sitting here. Wow, that's cool. You can just sit here and look along. Wow. If you sit from the other side, you see the road. People probably won't even see you passing by. Is it bone? No. Okay, well, I'm gonna look on the road, see if there's nothing that crosses it. Interesting. Somebody was here earlier, there's a pickup track. Me, I'm gonna go this way. That's a footprint from a shoe. It's probably the pickup, I can see track right here. And that's the truck that I saw when I was coming up. He only had this truck right here. The rest of it, I didn't see anybody else. Anywhere. Any vehicle, anywhere. And the river is in there. Ah, it's clearing up. We're going to be able to fish soon. I do lots of fishing. It's pretty cool. It's a nice spot here. See, something could hide right in the bottom down here. You'll never see it. Well, I'm going to shut it down. If I see something, then